Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, welcome back. It is Tuesday, April 11th, 2023, and Bitcoin is above 30,000. That is right. Bitcoin is above 30,000. I left you yesterday and I'm like, I'm feeling it. It's going to happen. It really did happen. Bitcoin 30,250. This feels like freaking history in the making. I'm quite happy with where Bitcoin currently is, and I will show you the chart right now. You can literally see this with me and see this is 30,250 and it is climbing. And what I want to do right now as I'm streaming, one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the last high, which said 3565. That's where I'm plotting it. And we're gonna watch, because if it continues to climb, this is literally a monumentous, like unforeseen event that everyone is just gonna be excited about. Because in most people's eyes, especially after what's happened with Bitcoin, what's happened with Ethereum, just seeing how drastically low this price was and the amount of times this had to climb support levels in order to get to where it's at. So now the question is, if bad news comes out, how much will Bitcoin drop? Right? Hey, is Bitcoin going to drop? Is this something that people foresee? And I'm here to say that if 30,000 holds today and we trade sideways, especially this day, it is gonna definitely start the change and potential bull run that we're looking for. And small bull run, I'm not saying, hey, this is the change we're looking for, but this is showing you that there is Bitcoin adoption happening as we speak. People are loving Bitcoin, they're holding Bitcoin, and they continue to be Bitcoin maxis, which is who we are. Ganja Goons gang. Hi, Lively Void. Hello, wifey. Nice to see you. Red Sox in the building. Our Crow Master himself. Coochie Boy, Sub Teddy, and Triple G's. Ganja Goons gang represent. Guys, smoke that like button. 8 of us here. We are representing. We are the true Ganja Goons. Toker Joker in the building. I will have to share Toker Joker's. I am so grateful for what you have sent me. I am so grateful to use your workout. I will tell you, today is my rest day and I feel okay, but I definitely know from what the workout was yesterday, I'm feeling it, buddy. I'm feeling it. It's no lie. And so we're going to do 2 days tomorrow. So I think we have chest and bicep, or chest and something. We're going to do tricep. We're going to do that tomorrow and continue to monitor what happens there. But hey, I appreciate you, coming out and representing and helping me out with my workouts. You have no idea how much it means. I've even changed my diet. I usually don't eat after 8. Sometimes it's 9 o'clock, but even I do the 12-hour fast. I'm really trying to change up what I do. I want people to see a difference. I don't want to be 2-3 years into this and I look the same. So I appreciate the love and the support that you're giving me, buddy. I really do. Red Sox, damn it, Crow, and Red Sox. I have Crow. So here's another day where Bitcoin has made monumentous moves. Ethereum doing fairly okay. 1893. I'm not too happy about it, but Bitcoin continues. 30,000. Dude, there were so many people that were like, "Oh, Teddy, look at it. Ethereum's going to reach 2,000 before Bitcoin reaches 30,000." I have been a Bitcoin maxi for a long time. All right. And I got to say, boys, it did not happen. Bitcoin reached 30,000 before Ethereum reached 2,000. Ethereum has not even beat my level at 2032. So this is definitely something I'm looking out for to see what happens, where it's going to go, and what's left to do there. You will, lol. Dude, I will. I will. I will. You have no idea. So I'm quite happy um, with where Bitcoin is going. I'm quite happy with where Ethereum is going. There needs to be a pullback before this continues to trend upward. So the small pullback we're seeing on Ethereum, I'm okay with. With Bitcoin, it just continues to just go up. And I did plot it. You saw me plot the level just now. And we're going to see what happens the next few days, because that's really going to help establish uh, potentially what happens with Bitcoin as we go out throughout this month. A lot of people are saying this is the bull run. This is what's happening. This is it. It's going to go from here. We're never going to see 20,000s again. We're never going to see 20,000s again. And I hear these statements, and I want to be the Bitcoin maxis that these guys, are telling us. But I'm just being realistic, and I come from here, right? And this is why I say, hey, before everyone gets all holly jolly, whatever, right? Guys, back in June 2022, we went through this drastic downtrend where people just dropped, jeeted out of Bitcoin. And for days, this is like a week, within a week, right? This is June. Within a week, we've seen Bitcoin go from 30K all the way to 20K. So this is where my realism comes in. I'm quite happy, just like every other Bitcoin maxi out there. But this is what's important. Is it going to hold this support line? And if it holds the support line, we're done. It's all over. If it holds the support line, we're never seeing 20,000. We're never seeing 20,000 ever, right? And we're now at the point where this is the most drastic area of the sport. Before we downtrended, remember, this was significant downtrending news that caused us to go from 30,000 to 20,000 within a week, right? We need something like that. This is how much BTC holders continue hold. And keep in mind, Mount Gox, right? The amount of things that are against us in order to continue to bring, and I say us, I understand, just this is the Bitcoin holders, but that's really what drives the market, in my opinion. So I'm quite happy with the way Bitcoin is trending. I was got a lot of messages after the stream yesterday going, "Hey Teddy, you stopped the stream and Bitcoin hit 30,000." I'm like, dude, I knew it was coming. I just wish I got it on stream. But I was still quite happy that it beat resistance to what we set it at, which was 26. Right? We literally watched this break 26, break 29, and get to 30. So this was amazing. I agree. We've been there and here before. Absolutely, we've been here, and that's where my realism comes in. These aren't levels, but if it keeps these levels, you've seen the support at those levels. So even with Mount Gox coming in, if this gets some waves and really starts climbing, boys, that's it. It's all over. We're never gonna fathom what's going to happen as this continues. Macroeconomic factors aside, is there anything you see in the actual crypto market that could cause a big dip in Bitcoin? I absolutely do not. And this is something, even when I came back after a month break from Bitcoin, from just cryptocurrency from Bitcoin. I'm such a Bitcoin maxi. You guys don't even understand. I went to a Twitter space and someone was like, "Teddy, you need to be realistic, bro. You're thinking so much about Bitcoin, but you got blinders on. You're not seeing anything else, you know?" And I sit there and I'm like, dude, I got blinders on, but like Bitcoin runs this market. currently there is no other dominant crypto that's gonna overtake Bitcoin, you know? So regardless, I personally do not. What's going to cause the dip? Let's say somehow the basis points go up drastically. What's that going to cause? A 5% downturn? Like, I don't see too much um, causing it to dip from 30K now to 15K. This is now we're talking 2x territory. This is where people told us Bitcoin is going to hit 14K. Bitcoin's going to hit this price. Bitcoin's going to hit that price. We're now basically at 2x from that estimate. So I continue to believe, and some of it comes from me being a Bitcoin maxi, big believer in Bitcoin. As you accumulate Bitcoin, I think it's going to help change the way Bitcoin is driven. And a lot of people have even been telling me, especially in the tech industry, "Oh, Teddy, you're falling into the Bitcoin maximalism," and the reason you got to be wary is there's quantum coming in. Quantum is going to change everything. The hash rates, we're going to be able to hack into this, hack into that, do all this, do all that. And unfortunately, I just don't believe it. I feel like we're going to come to a potential adoption of continuing where Bitcoin is right now. Yeah, it's no name. No one knows why. There's all these rumors on who's the creator behind it. But regardless of the creator, the people that have adopted into Bitcoin are going to continue to find ways to keep Bitcoin growing and going. They're not just stuck at, regardless of where we are in the future technology wise, hey, once Bitcoin gets hacked, it's all over. Once Bitcoin gets hacked and there is a hack that is evident, I think people are going to progress to a different chain and continue on and move their funds. And that's what we're going to see. Right now, we're at 30,000 and we're not in a quantum world, right? When that time comes, I don't think it's going to be an issue. I think it's going to be a Bitcoin Cash, a Bitcoin type situation where people are going to deviate to a different chain and continue growing the concept of Bitcoin. I don't think that's going to change. And we really got to see, are quantum computers going to actually, I'm going to change this because see I'm slightly off. Let's go to 3555. See, yeah, I'm still slightly off. 30, 50, 50. Smoke that like mountain. Anthony Williams in the building. Dude, one of the craziest things when I worked for Shibnobi, one of the fun things that I was tasked to do was figure out quantum computing and quantum blockchain and how realistically or how safe the Shibnobi blockchain would have been. And Shibnobi blockchain, great thing, great work there. All I definitely give it all praise, but it was a real question because it is a real threat, right? We don't want to be in a state where, hey, quantum ruins the idea of digital currency. And that's where I started looking at what is quantum computing. And when you truly look at it, quantum computing ends up being how many qubits, right? How many qubits can you put into a single location and do computational algorithms or whatever you're trying to do in the quantum computing world. And when it came down to qubits, it's actually quite expensive. Hey, Dimes, nice to see you, buddy. Dude, next week I'm going to be in Belgium. I'm so excited, ready for the Porsche thing. You have no idea. I'm already looking forward. I'm looking for an email update or something. I hope they give me something soon. But dude, so excited. Definitely share your LA experience. I know. So Dimes is the guy that got me into the Porsche NFTs. For the guys watching, great experience. I loved it. So I ended up buying one of the Porsche NFTs when it came out, and then I also, entered the contest and I won the experience. So I'm gonna see the Porsche experience in Belgium. He did it in LA. He even got to go to LA NFT or something. So sounds awesome. But anyway, quantum computing wise, going back to Big A Armory's question, I feel is right around the corner because I think right now we can hold it and we can keep qubits alive for certain amounts of times, and we can see, we know whether it's stateless or stateful, and be able to make computational math and figure out whether we can break into it is going to require, I think, a few more qubits and a lot less expensive. Because right now, to run a quantum computer, I think even with Amazon, you're right around $125,000. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's per month. So per year, you're just looking at millions and millions of dollars to be continue to run. And people have found different ways to continue to harness qubits and keep it going. But yeah, F yeah, brother. Looking forward to your highlight reel. Dude, I have everything ready. I have my camera ready. I got my cell phone ready. I backed up everything. Things I'm scared about. Someone recently told me that Belgium has a terrorism threat. So be very careful about that. So I really hope I don't suffer through anything like that. Um, which I didn't even know Belgium had it. They said the last terrorism threat was 2015, so they're like due for one. And that's kind of scary. So hopefully they don't target us or anything. So hoping for the best there. But I'm definitely going for the chocolate, the waffles. We're gonna try what we can. Um, Today I had the realism that this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna be away from my precious daughter, right? So I was definitely sad about that. I was like, oh my god, this is really happening. So it's gonna be, I think, 3 days, 4 days. I'm away. My wife says it's gonna be okay, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm quite sad about it now. Um, but yeah, Dimes, I'm so excited about it. The Porsche NFT experience. And even I think there's a customization that started. Wait, let me see. Let me see. Maybe I can show that on stream. For those of you guys that don't know, we bought the Porsche NFT. It was a crazy price. We bought it. I told my wife I'm buying it. And if I get it, we're going. And she was like, it's not going to happen. And guess what, guys? It did happen. I bought it and then I won it. All right. So give me 1 second here. I'm just going in here. All right. So it does say customize um, your 911 NFT. Let me see. Customize. So I'm life. Yo, I swear this thing just rugged me. I I used all the bandwidth that I was allocated. I'm back though. I'm sorry about that. Customize your 911 NFT. So I came here. It says nature glamour clubbing. And I haven't read a single thing about this, so I have no idea what I'm doing right now. So phase 2. So yeah, I'm lifestyle. Phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. Is this what my thing's gonna end up looking like? I get a silver metallic car. I have no idea. What is this? Someone tell me what's going on. I buy NFTs without knowing what's happening. Someone on the internet tells me to buy an NFT and I just do it, right? Um 1 second, let me read this. By claiming one of the three font styles, your 911 NFT would 911 NFT will be customized according to the chosen customization option. Very different will be updated and the appearance of it will be changed, which will be irreversible. So okay, so the decision I make now, that's it. No coming back. The tuning shop customization will be from April 11th to April 18th. Okay, so I got 7 days, boys, and will not reopen afterwards. The metadata reveal will happen on April 21st. Oh, so you don't even get to see you don't even get to see what it looked like? What is this? What is this nonsense? You don't even get to see what it looked like till yo, these guys evil, man. All right, all right, all right. Let me do NFT. All right, boom. Okay, we're here. So we're not even going to see participation in the tuning shop customization has no influence on the access to physical events. I'm going to one of their physical events. Wait, what did Dime say? Hey, Porsche treating you like royalty. Just wait, lol. Someone should have told us to buy Utes when under $10. Coochie Boy, you're killing me. And Coochie Boy, by the way, is one of my friends, especially on Twitter. He messages me all these NFT plays after the NFT turns to like 5 ETH, 10 ETH. And he's like, "Oh, Teddy, I saw this when it was like zero point 0.2 ETH and I didn't tell you about it. I'm sorry." I'm like, "Bro, it's 12 ETH now and you're like telling me about this NFT now?" So many times he's done this to me, and I'm just depressed. But who knows? Think about all the ones he doesn't tell me about that really don't pan out. So you never know. But it may differ for other utilities. The road selection you've made has no influence on the access to physical events. So basically, we're going to be able to go to physical events. Once you have chosen one front style, you will be unable to choose any of the other front styles. Okay. So this is literally choosing the freaking grill, the grill color. Is that what if you do not choose any front style, your 911 NFT can still participate in further customization options with road specific traits. Yeah, so this is literally just to get the freaking um the little grill color. So let's see. The way I look at this, like, dude, 66 people chose clubbing, 60 people chose glamour. Nature looking real rare. Only 40 people chose nature. So if we're looking at 150K in design variations, the ones that are rarer, I feel like are going to matter more unless someone knows something and there's a reason they're choosing glamour and clubbing. But I'm feeling nature, like, even regardless of the color. Even if I get gold, I'm happy. I don't know. I'm really feeling nature. Just the amount of people that have done it. So 60. So I got 7 days. So hopefully I don't get screwed and nature becomes the lesser one. No, see, now I'm second guessing myself. What if maybe I should wait till the last second and then nah, screw it. We're going nature. All right, so this is my 50-54. I won't even know what it looks like. I chose nature too, lol. We are the same, dude. I know. I'm like, dude, why would yo, look at this. That looks great. I'm happy with this color. I'm happy with this. All right, here we go. This is it. It's happening. Welcome to the mind of Teddy. ADHD and everything, boys. Here, this is happening. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Visit my road trip. Your personal front portion on 50-54. Your NFT tuning shop customers April 21st. Visit. Then this is the craziest thing. Regardless of what happens to my physical body, this Porsche NFT is still gonna be here. And when the year 50-54 comes in, maybe that's the year. Maybe that's the year my Porsche NFT gonna be worth a lot. Who knows who in my generation of families is gonna have it, but someone 50-54 is gonna have it. Oh my god. I chose nature as well. That's hilarious times. I'm literally I believe you, buddy. Back to the okay, I guess that's it. I've done the thing. I've done the thing that they've told me to do. There's nothing else. See, I'm 41. It updated real time. That's great. So phase 3. What's heritage? Oh, gross. Oh, dude, that looks so gross. Gross. This looks awesome. Gross. Gross. 7 attributes, 144 design. Yeah, this is gonna be quite interesting. I'm ready, man. I'm ready. I'm completely into this. While talking about NFTs, we got to look at um our boy Donald. I don't know how he's doing. I'm well invested in them. All right, let's see. Oh, it's connected to the test network. Oh, is my wallet connected to test network? Oh, is that true? Let me see. Yeah, I'm on test network. What the hell was I doing on test network? Boom. There we go. 0.39. Okay, so it's retraced a lot because I think it was half an ETH when I was looking at it when he was getting jail time. Activity, let me see. Oh, yeah, see? Dude, it went all the way to point 0.6 ETH. Now, when was, oh, that was February. Never mind, never mind. Yeah, so when it peaked, that was March 19th, 8 p.m. Okay, yeah. So it didn't really peak. It's been on a downtrend. It's been going from half a ETH and just keeps going down. And its trajectory. This is so evil. Why do you forecast this like this? Why are you evil? Teddy, I'm not evil. This is really where it's at. We're at 0.37. Ah, you really are. Embarrassing. And people are actually buying this? Let me see. All right, so 0.35 ETH. Yeah, people are actually buying it. I mean, I don't see any big sales, but I see like people are buying the floor up, you know? Because these are some crazy prices. That is wild. That is wild. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. One other fun thing. I haven't gone to Coin Market Cap in a long time. Let's go check, make sure everything's okay there. Yeah, global market cap 1.2 trillion. Quite happy with those numbers. Arbitrum continuing to downtrend. Nothing new there. Bitcoin doing amazing. And a lot of Bitcoin maxis are loving it right now because Bitcoin continues to uptrend as Ethereum goes to wherever. I got nothing to say. Vitalik, go! Don't come after me. Don't come after me, Vitalik. I'm just saying what I see. I'm just saying what I see. USDT number 3, Dogecoin number 8, and keep in mind Dogecoin and Cardano have been fighting each other. So I'm quite interested to see what's going to happen. I still see Dogecoin being a contender. I don't think this guy Elon is done with what's going on with Dogecoin. So I'm gonna continue to watch Dogecoin. Litecoin number 13. I know people are giving Litecoin legs because of Dogecoin, but keep in mind Dogecoin and Litecoin share mining rewards. What that means is when a Litecoin block is validated, you get rewarded in both Litecoin and Dogecoin when that happens. Shiba Inu. Ah, my God, Shibaverse. I continue to wait. I continue to wait. I continue to wait. I don't know when it's coming, but it's not looking good for me. Uniswap. This is one that I've recently gotten into and I continue to get into because of their competitors and what they're doing. And I know the Uniswap team is open source and intend to do great things there. So the reason Uniswap anything under $6, I thought was a good reason to get into 596 right now. I'm gonna continue to watch this. One of the reasons is $10 seems achievable, even $12 seems achievable in a bull run. Currently, it's not in one, but DeFi, Uniswap is beating exchanges in the amount of volume that it gets. So I am not sleeping on Uniswap in any way, shape, or form. Number 20 right now, but it's nothing to forget about. Chainlink, still love Chainlink. Big fan. The FUCC. What do you mean the FUCC, bro? You forgot about Uniswap, bro? Did you not know? Ton OKB Bitcoin Cash. Oh, this is it. One day. I'm looking at Uni too. Dude, we are brothers, bro. We're brothers, and we just things happen. Things happen. Hopefully, when we meet in Germany, it'll be good. One of the things I wanted to do was go to the Hungary one, but my wife said absolutely not. I feel like I'm still gonna try and apply and see if I get it. Because I feel like that's an interesting country as well. But if not, I'll see you in Germany. I'm also trying for Atlanta. And by the way, when I'm saying I'm trying for these are different um events that those guys are doing. Any thoughts on ANKR? ANKR, where are we now with ANKR? Are we still top 100? Let me see. I will give you some thoughts, buddy. It's been a long time. What was the last time? It was like 4 cents, 5 cents we were looking at. And KR, did you still continue to hold your bag there? What ended up happening? 108. So it just dropped top 100. Oh, oh no, 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 no. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. So yeah, they got their certic audit. They did all their things. Let's just look at their utilities now. So yeah, Web3, RPCs, liquid staking, and we know staking, we're getting issues there. Bring any game to Web3. Oh man, I don't know. It's a tough sell. We got to see. They need something um, that's real utility wise. Chain neutral, providing tools to develop and earn all chains interoperable finance. Optimism we know is big. Even Base, right? Coinbase, their chain is Optimism. Polygon is big. Binance big. So the partners are spot on. Yeah, I mean, I like their partners. I like what I see. Overall on their website looks slick. Sushi Swap, I love that. Bomb Money developers. So they got developer guides, GitHub. I'm getting real into GitHub. I've been looking at so much code in GitHub nowadays. It's wild. Yeah, I'm liking what I see. ANKR real good. I'm just trying to see repo wise. Yeah, dude, updated 3 hours ago. They're keeping their stuff on point. That's real good. I love seeing that. I love when companies have open source and they really show you how frequently they're updating stuff. Their oldest update was a DevNet, and obviously DevNet you don't have to update that frequently, so that is wild. Definitely big fan of devs that keep the network going. And Kara Token white paper new. Mm, dude, every time I try to open one of these high documents, it gets crazy. By the way, there's 10 of us here. Smoke that like button. Don't forget to smoke it. I know the chart look trash, but it has a pulse. Yeah, it actually does. It actually does, dude. This don't look too bad. It actually don't look too bad. I think we just gotta get through the just gotta get to a bull run, you know. I'm not sure what really causes us to go up. That's cool. Dow grants. So they got doing chains. They're doing gaming, competitive. I mean, this white paper, dude, a 54-page white paper. Are you freaking kidding me? Why would you not invest in this, right? Ah, this is wild. No, I like it. I like what I see. I'm not too happy with the price. I'm hoping they're able to turn this around, get some money in there. Definitely not also happy that they dropped off top 100 because I expected them to stay. Um, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Liquid staking on BNB chain. What is this now? BNB Boost. Freaking coin market cap. You're owned by Binance, so get out of here. Don't try to lure me into one of your. Yeah. Wait, what time? 30. This is it. I will see you guys again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Come hang out with the goons. This is what we do. We hang out, we have fun, we look at the news. Today we didn't look at the news. I love Bitcoin. I'm sorry, I Bitcoin maxied out. I will see you guys again tomorrow. I am expecting Bitcoin to continue to make uh good wavelengths here. Let me just go to super charts, make sure it didn't beat anything. So it's still above 30,000. As long as it goes sideways for the next few days, we're good. As long as we're in this area, we're good. If we see any downturn, I'm saying if it crosses 29,800, realistically, that is an area of concern to me in my eyes. because my next level of support really would be 27. And then if it goes below 27, then I start questioning things. But I'm not a day trader. I'm here for the long term. I continue to hodl. I'm not being a hero. Always remember, don't be a hero. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. You know where to get me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Stay safe. And yeah, that's about really it. Don't do anything crazy right now.